Hello! Welcome Blue Bite God, what is my channel name? Welcome to Blue Bite Noah's channel with another episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Seems like that's all we do, and sometimes I'm in the long sleeve and sometimes I'm in the short sleeve. It's been a nice winter so far. Yeah, so run that intro. I showed you how I made the letters, how I've done this, and how I've done that. And run an intro, and I show you how I stick them together. Make them signs everybody wants. Nobody wants them signs. So this is going on in real life time. This is 2 weeks. Friday will be 2 weeks. He's had my bike. Hopefully I get it back tomorrow or something, or Tuesday, Thursday or Wednesday. No, a Thursday or Friday, hopefully, maybe. I mean, anyway, still no Lucille. That's what I was trying to say. So I'm working on drinking my eyeball, what I was doing. Oh. So, what am I doing? I'll tell you what. People she works with watch my episodes of Dickin Around in the Shed and really like, so I feel embarrassed now because I'm out here by myself. I don't think nobody's watching, so I can be silly. But I want to, everybody be my helper with my hat. Oh, yeah, because I was already wearing it. And everything. How you doing? So, I've got tons of letters so far. I've sometimes making them little jig thingies. And over there, where's my other ones? There's some laying up in there. That a simple, I came up with, where does it go? No, where's it at? Hold on, I lost one. No, I didn't. There it is. Oh, I probably done used my things out of them. So I was making this to make M's or W's, and come out. These need to be cleaned up. There's some W's, and then I also made use some M's. And what I was doing, that's my starting point, so they all be universal. But I had two studs. I'm a stud. What am I talking about? Who am I kidding? But I put this in there, right there, and then one right there, and then I bend it around it, and then I come down here and move that over to here, and then it slides down. And sometimes just a simple thing would make it. I'm still working on it. Some letters come out pretty good, and some of them don't. But here's what I'm doing. What you know, Bohannon? Bohannon, speak. 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 Huh? Speak? Oh? We go at house? Oh, me. So, like I said, I'm making it's bikes, and I got a, see, here's some D's I made, but I kind of made them more whimsical. And I made a perfect O a while ago. Oh, what a relief it is. That's pretty cool. Oh. And like I said, D's. No, I need an R in, I got an R in my hand. R. What's the parrot's favorite letter? Some people think it's the R, but actually it's the, that didn't go too good because I don't have a C down here. Hold on, but I got a C somewhere. Thought I had some more C's. I made C's a while ago. What did I do with my C's? Anyway, but it's really the C. C-R. Oh, God. Help me. I've fallen. And I need an S. I got an S right there. So here's how I line them up. Kind of make them see which R's and goes together. And you can see they still rough. I hope you can see that. touch that because but I kind of line them up and make sure the B's are straight, and then everything else should fall in line. And but I also take and line it. Take one of them round bars, line it up like so. Let me get you around here where you can see. Get down here. Mr. Mustache asked me how do I make sure I got myself. I got a front-facing camera, but I line them up like if I had a round bar. So I'll take an angle arm, put it on the back, clamp it, mark, and that way I can. It just lines them up real neat. So you ain't got one of these letters thingy. I might make everybody one. I don't know, not making everybody one. I guess if you get one, you think you're my favorites. Pretty much, I'm just whatever letters look good and go from there. So, Bites, Beards, and Broods is getting this one. And the K's and I's, I guess it's just straight letters. D's and stuff. But I just line them up kind of like so. Kind of space them like I want to. And then weld them. But I need, D don't go, it's B-E-A R-D. R-D. Oh, I got my R right here. And see, I kind of see which R looks better. And since I got a lot of R's, I think my next one might be, he's got 2 R's in his names. I could do that. Whew. I don't know. If I keep making everybody sign, nobody want to buy any. Eventually you'll have one. Nah, I'm not going to sell these. Anyway, so that's B-E... Oh, just to make sure I'm spelling it right, I use this car, he's a Boston vlogger, Boston vlogger, B-E-A-R-D-S. So I'm going to finish this up, get my gas on. Gas is on, it does pretty good, it ain't hardly leaking. Seems like I got to just hammer it every time I go on it. Welded. Gloves. Alright. You remember what it said? B-E-A-R-D. R-D. R-D Mercer. That's Mr. G. Turn the welder on. Get my R where I want it. And then we take my gun. I just bit my thing. I kind of like to do that to get my tips going. Some people cuts them off. I don't. I just hit it with a welding. And just kind of tack it in there. I tacked that one real good. With that thing on the back and it lining up, so you pretty much keep your letters in line. So now what comes next after the R? A D. Here's one of them D's that needs to be kind of lined up. So I'm going to put my square on it just to double check. Yeah, that looks good. Uh-oh, I didn't tighten that back down. Alright, so we'll get the D's right there. Come on now. Alright, as you can see, it says Bites, Beards. And, that's my and. Oh, Lordy. So, now we take it out of this, take my back off of it, like so. Come on now. Pulls this off. And we got bikes and beards. And I'm going to do something different on this one. It's still hot. Is I'm going to cut them in between. So it'll make it easy to ship and he can space them out like he wants them, or I don't know. Should I leave it whole or should I leave it whole? It's hot while I'm holding. Should I leave it whole? Because it's going to be long when it bites. That makes it hard to ship. Or should I cut it bites, beards, and? Decisions. But while we're doing that, I'm going to weld the back of it. So I did make my mind up. Trying to figure out which side you look better on. I can't see nothing. That sun's shining right in my eyes. But anyway, I marked it, squared it off. So I did come up that I am just going to make it three words. That's what it is anyway, right? So that's bikes. One reason why, I mean, nobody asked them to send me, you know, that's a good, but he buys you a Dixon flannel, right? Ow. I can't knock a straight line. Like butter. And then while I'm here, but I'm just going to show you why it's in there like that. I can take and so I'm not going to do all that right now, but then that's how I clean it up. So let me show you how I line it up again. I can't tell what you can see. That sun's, I should shut the door, but I'm not a professional. So like I said, I line this up, kind of on it, just no overhang, just flush with the ends here. And I'll take my square, take my C-clamp, and you just took it off of there. You'd think you wouldn't have to adjust it. And then kind of loose, just very do snug it, because I think I still got to. I want that just hanging over. Just, I mean, not hanging over, but just flush. Flush like you flush your toilet. Get the other side, do the same thing. That's your, and then you tighten it down. And then you can put it in the vise. To hold it, and then you got a lever. So I need a and not and raggedy and, but an and. This is gonna be, you want it a little bit, I want it a little bit farther away than right on the edge. So like so, and then I'll weld it. So I need, this is bruise, right? And B. I got my B. I had my B. Where did my BB go? BB. I just had my BB. Oh, that's my BB. BB. And come. You just pretty much, when you're working with metal, it's whatever it comes out and it looks good, run with it. It might be a little bigger than the B, but and bruise. Well, there you have it. That's upside down. You can see it. That's, you know, that's some of it. Bikes, beards, and brews. Yeah. So, uh-oh. I thank y'all for coming along and watching another full episode of Dickin Around in the Shed. Let me cut this off. That's $100 tank right there. Don't want to waste no gas. So, thank you for coming along and being my helper today in the shed. So, I'm going to get out of here so you can go check out. Do y'all like it over here or over there? Y'all leave the comment. So you can go check out that video there, that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here, and goes up buzzard. We'll see y'all later, taters.